Hello, lovely people of Ghana and beyond. My name is Akpese Aite. I'm the Vice Chairman of Mawutornami Borborbor Group, located in Volta region, CK Road, near Beach International School. I'm honored to come your screen as a representative of the group. We are a vibrant and dynamic group dedicated to promote cultural heritage in our community and beyond. Francis Kluche founded Mawutornami Borborbor Group in 2021 with 9 members, and what he kept telling them was better days ahead, so keep the fire burning. In 2023, when we heard the former president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, is going to tour the 16 regions of Ghana, and Volta region happened to be first, we dedicated ourselves to go and play Borborbor to entertain the other dignitaries and then invited guests. As we speak today, Mawutornami Borborbor Group have increased the number from 9 to 55 recognized members. We pay homage to our hardworking executive of Mawutornami Borborbor Group, to the chairman of Mawutornami Borborbor Group, Mr. William Amenyo, and to our patron, Mr. Agbolo Julius, Mr. Waze Christian, and Reverend George A. Markins. We also pay homage to His Royal Majesty, Togbe Akpese II, our Paramount Chief of Hope Central, and to our hardworking ministers, Honorable Divine Bossing, the former MC of Hope, Adam Kofi Potosu, MP for Ho Central, and to Honorable Lecha, the former regional minister, and to Honorable Gunu, regional minister of Ho. Encourage the members of our group and the youth of our community to engage themselves in technical and vocational skills acquisition, which are mostly funded by our group. Vote for us, Mawutornami Borborbor Group, to the short code *920 *922#. Then you send. After that, you'll be prompted. Select number 2. That is our number for the competition. Then you vote. God bless you.